ink waste pad kit for the Epson T6711 and T6710 waste box. So what happens with these waste box is they fill up with some ink in them. There's a chip on them right there. So when the chip feels that the box is full, you get the code to replace it. Now we made a replacement pad kit. We also have a chip resetter. So you'll be able to reset the chip on the original box, or we sell a box also that has a chip. So either box, it doesn't matter, you can reset it. But you can only reset it when it tells you that the box needs to be replaced. Can't take it out anytime and just refill it. The chip resetter will not reset it. It'll stay solid red instead of going to green. It's a very simple way to replace this. You need a thin screwdriver like this, bladed screwdriver, and basically you're going to go right in on the side and spread it. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And here's the resetter, and what you're going to do, and I'll show you in the video, you're going to hold it up onto the chip. Here's the Epson chip, doesn't matter. And you're going to hold it right up on that chip, and the light will blink red and then go to green. Now it will stay red because this box does not need to be reset, nor this box. Okay, now you can see I've already taken this one off. I'm going to take the Epson off next. By the way, we give you a pair of latex gloves because you don't want to get ink all over. I already took that one and replaced it. So basically what you're going to do is take a thin blade screwdriver, go in on the side, just like that. Sometimes I'll use two of them. There you go. That's it. Now there's the material. Now this box does not need to be replaced. That pad does not read because it hasn't coated out yet. Okay, now I've already replaced the pad in this one. This is what it looks like. When it gets that bad, then you take it out. You put our super soaker pads in there. By the way, this material that we're using is recycled material, but it will absorb up to 3 times more than the pads used in the Epsons. So you don't have to replace it every time. Now you will have to reset the chip, but you don't have to replace it. You're going to get a set of latex gloves so you don't get ink all over you, and you can just throw that away. Now, the cover just snaps back on. This is the Epson. Same way as the box that we have. There you go. That's it. This maintenance box, T6711. Same as the T6710, but they changed the number to 11. Now you can see it's all white, and then this area is coated out. Now, when you first get it, that is going to be all the way up here. So a lot of people think, oh, it's getting filled with ink. No. When it goes completely white, that's when you're going to get the error code. Now, on the boxes I showed in the video, neither one of them needed to be replaced. Although I did replace the pad in one, because it was very simple to show you that. Now this one here is the other box. As you can see, it won't reset because it wasn't ready to be reset. Now on the Epson box, it's very close to need that pad replaced. But you can see the pad has hardly any ink in it. But that chip is going to tell you when it gets down so low to replace it. So when I put this on, stays red, did not reset. So that'll only reset when you get the warning on the LED screen of the printer.